Her alarm goes off and she gets up to watch the morning news.
Hi people, welcome to my YouTube channel Shits Mwangi. If you are new here, welcome back. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome guys. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button here, press the notification bell so that anytime I upload any new video, you will be notified. Guys, remember to like this video, like. Thank you so much for the continued support that you have shown me. May God bless you. Guys, let's get to today's video. I want to show you how to make a simple breakfast or a simple snacks for your friends, for your family, and for your bestie. Stay tuned till the end. Remember to like the video. Guys, like the video. It supports our channel. Let's get to the video. Guys, in our today's recipe, we will need coriander, the danias, 2 smokies, and potatoes. Take our bowl, take our potatoes. Our potatoes are green. Then we use this grater.
Hold tight, I've been right where you're standing. Just hold tight to me. The world tries to be you and leave you lonely, but there's lies. 'Cause now
Then, when you finish, you wash them. Meanwhile, let us soak them in an icy water. It is not a must. You can leave them like that. But if you have the ice cubes, soak them. It's time for us to prepare our smokies. When preparing your our smokies, this is how you cut them. Breakfast, because you had already eaten a balanced diet breakfast. The smoky are the proteins, the greens are vitamins, our potatoes are the starch.
I got a one-way ticket to explore the world tonight. I want you back, so come with me. Don't look back, I wanna show you the wonders of the universe, girl. Take my hand.
Like that. I forgot to tell you that you need to have 2 eggs. Do you have eggs here? 2 eggs. Our 2 eggs are here. Guys, stay tuned. Watch till the end. You see how strong they have become because of the ice cubes? Then it's our time to mix our ingredients. See? So, first we will start with our smokies. That. Next we go in with our corianders. First of all, we mix them. Did I told you that if you want to add any spices in this breakfast, for me I will only add salt. If you have any kind of spices that if you like spices, consider adding them. I will add our paprika. That. Let me use a fork. Guys, do you see? It looks like a kachumbari. And then you can eat it this raw. Na watu kula tu hivyo eh. Guys, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Don't watch my videos and leave like that. Give it a like, please, guys. Like the video like that. Now it's our time to add our mix. Guys, do you remember the recipe that I did when using the cornstarch? For those who are asking whether cornstarch it is also called the corn flour. It is, yes. Now it's our time to deep frying it, but you won't use a lot of oil, just a simple oil that you normally use when frying your egg. See? Guys, and now it's frying time. Ensure your heat si mingi, utaweka moto kubwa soon mpaka ikiwa medium. Then second, don't put a lot of cooking oil. Do you remember our last video that I did before posting this video? I showed you how to use cornstarch while making sweetie fries and the cuisine for the Spanish and Portuguese. So even here you can decide also to use your cornstarch. There is those people who are asking, now I have bought the cornstarch or the corn flour, but how will I use it? Guys, cornstarch can be used to make your soup thick, to thicken the soup. So unaweza itumia ku thicken soup yako kwa any food. Guys, if you have not yet watched the other videos, I will put all the links into the description box. Go there, watch, like the video, and I will highly appreciate. Guys, ikifika hapa kwa sababu tunataka kuturn, unaweza paka tu mafuta hapa juu before you turn. Usishike kwa your pan. Nasikia kizungu, so that it doesn't sticken. So it's time to turn. See? Guys, and it is very sweet. Kumbuka hujatumia mafuta mingi hapa. just a simple breakfast, very healthy. Jakulanisha pasta sijui nini mamkate manini. Sasa hata wenye wanasema vitu ni expensive. Yes, I know the economy right now vitu zimekuwa expensive, but lazima tukule poa bado. Usijinyime na wewe ndio unatafuta. Spoil yourself. Guys, najua kuna watu wanauliza ati kama waru zimeiva. Zimeiva kwa sababu hatukukatakata kubwa kubwa, tuligreta. Unaona? So zimeiva. Then uweke moto medium. You see? See how yummy they look? While watching, have you subscribed to my YouTube channel? Ebu check well if you have pressed the notification bell. Please, please, please press the notification bell. Subscribing and watching, okay, it supports our channel, but when I'll be posting the videos, you will be notified. So, for you to be notified, you just click the notification bell. It doesn't cost you anything. It's for free. See? It's very free. YouTube haikulipishi subscribe ama press the notification bell. No? And if you have a YouTube channel and you have subscribed to mine, guys,
Yeah. Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now. I made mistakes, but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone. That's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. I won't ever let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in.